And welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Accenture Resume format for AAC hiring. A step-by-step registration process we will discuss in today's video. The registration is successful. You can see on my screen I am sharing the different resume formats with all of you. So it will already shortlisted resume from top companies. I will show you the most important thing. If you have any kind of queries related to Accenture mass hiring, you can check out this video. Instant rejection, invalid link, okay, everything I created for all of you, and we are sharing the free preparation videos, not selling any of the courses, masterclass in any of the price. Okay, we are not taking money from all of you. Already free preparation videos are enough to crack this opportunity. Okay, everything we already shared with all of you. You can see on my screen that more than 1 lakh plus students watch out this video, cognitive revision. So we will also come up with that, and many candidates selected through our channel through free preparation series. So you can use this resume format. Okay, this is shared by Apna College, skills, education, experience, academic position, position of responsibility, achievements and hobby. You can just click on file, okay, here download as a Microsoft Word and just edit your resume. You can also use this resume format or this resume format. It is shortlisted resume. When you apply for opportunity, you will receive this type of mail: update Accenture recruitment process. Hi Lokesh, thank you for applying to Accenture. We received your application and reviewing the detail. Do not share your personal information, login credential and OTP with anyone. Okay, so how to apply? Basically the thing is, it's totally decision up to you. Like, you have to wait or you have to apply for opportunity now. The last date is 12th December. When you click on apply now button, you have to choose I don't have an account. So this type of link will open. If you choose I have an account, so it will show error. Why it is showing error? Because they are not considering the old application. Okay, they are considering the new application only. If you already applied through on campus, okay, they have your data. Okay, so like when you open this form, so the form will be open. In the form they are asking everything, like job role will be there. So yes, we have to start filling the form. Okay, so I will fill all the details. And so first of all, the university provide your mobile number, your WhatsApp consent, date of birth, residing city, your current address, permanent address. Okay, education details you have to choose: undergraduate, what's your degree, what's your college, what's your branch, university, what's your month of starting your college, 21 to 2025. According to this you can choose 2020, 2019. According to your college you have to choose percentage, what is the mode of education, full time, gap in education. If you have any experience, you can see 0 to 23 month, more than 23 month work experience. Skill details, what's your primary skill, please skip in case you do not find any relevant. Certification, if they already mention, you have to skip. Have you done, not applicable. Foreign language, not applicable. Product management, preferred job location. Okay, you completed your degree, yes, completed with the stipulated standing. And if your new registration is there, you will see registration is successful. So on the new email ID, this type of mail you will see status. Okay, and you will also receive one mail that is related to this, like Accenture recruitment process. Accenture recruitment process. Hi Lokesh, thank you for applying. This type of, you will receive details 9 hours ago. So this is all about the step by step registration video. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.